Hello, bastards. Welcome back. This is the Paneer Bhurji that I promised you, bastards, with the recipe. Paneer is a soft Indian curd cheese. Also, it's a little bit hard as well, but it's very confusing. But Bhurji means scramble, to scramble. We usually do it egg. Anyway, just get the pocket ginger, get the garlic, get the green chilies, get a pestle mortar if you pocket got one, sprinkle a little bit salt, and do the chucking and piecing like I did with my hand. I'm very used to grabbing things like this. Very easy for me. Then we get 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half turmeric, half coriander powder, little sprinkle salt, and give that a pocket whisk. Leave it all this to the side. You don't need it yet. And for the masalas, very pocket simple. Going to dry roast these spices. All the recipes on there. Don't be fucking recipe. Can't find it. I can't find the recipe. Where did you put it? The brown button. It's a lying fucker. No, I'm not fucking lying. It's there in the description. Just fucking follow it. Very simple. So I'm dry roasting this, but I didn't put the kasuri methi, which is the dried fenugreek, till little bit to the end. So dry roast for 1 minute, then do the methi for 1 minute more, so the methi doesn't pop and burn. And then we grind and blitz this into blender. I use a coffee grinder, but if you want to grind coffee as well, don't use the same pocket one. This one is the paneer. This is the harder version, so I'm going to grate it. Make sure you use the pocket right side of the grater, otherwise it won't pocket work. That's what I quickly found out myself. Anyway, I'm doing this old pocket school, chucking and piecing, proper grafting, grinded the pocket onion, grinded the, grate it. I'm very grateful that you're watching anyway. So I grated the onions and I grated the pork and tomato, and then I got some oil, heated this up, put some cumin seeds in there. Remember the ginger, garlic and chilies that we chucked and pieced in the pocket mortar? That's what we need to fry, but don't burn the bastard. Just do it for about 2 minutes. Then we add the onions. The onions, we're not going to go for the brown. We're just going to little bit translucent, and it will absorb a lot of the flavors from the ginger, garlic and the dry roasted spices. Now, remember the yogurt that we mixed? Add the yogurt. We need to cook the yogurt off. Same again, medium heat. We're not fucking gonna burn this. We don't want to fry it. We just want to cook the coriander inside there, the chili powder inside there, the turmeric inside there. Once that's cooked 3-4 minutes, then what we're going to do is add the tomato. You say tomato, I say tomato. Add the tomato, 3-4 minutes. Then we're going to add a little bit pani, hot water. Just a sprinkle hot water, not too much. Cook that off, bring it to heat. And then what we do is put the lid on, let it simmer. But what I like to do, I forgot to put some stalks of coriander stalks. Just put them in, put the lid down, let that cook for 10 minutes. Don't be tight. Anyway, I'm giving you all the recipe, fucking verbatim, 1 by one. It's all written down, bastard. You can fucking see with your own fucking eyes. Put your fucking drink down, just watch it. And then read the fucking recipe. Why am I telling you fucking recipe? Anyway, I was driving back from Bradford last night and I picked up a hitchhiker. And the hitchhiker kept fucking look me. I said, what are you fucking looking at? He goes, why did you pick me up? What if I'm a serial killer? I said, bastard, the chance of 2 serial killers in the same fucking car is highly fucking unlikely, bastard. Anyway, I put him in the fucking boot, the bastard. So we've added the paneer. You don't need to cook this off too much. Add a little bit of water. This is going to be like a drier kind of, no saucy. Make sure you put the fucking butter. Don't be tight. Fuck the doctor. Put the butter on. Put some coriander on. Serve it with some paratha, some chapati, some fucking rice, some slice of bread, some chopsticks. I don't really give a fuck what you eat it with, because I'm not going to be there, am I? And then obviously for the garnish, little bit butter, little bit sprig coriander. You're going to fucking enjoy it.